Hello guys, happy Easter to you all, to my existing and to my new subscribers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'll be showing you how to make this lovely clutch purse here, and please make sure you watch from beginning to the end for better understanding. So it's gonna be well detailed. This tutorial is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so please make sure you watch from beginning to the end, and don't forget to click on the notification button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, so this is the material I'll be making use of, and this material, it's a fabric, and you can only get this fabric in now. So guys, this is the leather board I'll be working with, the V best quality 900s. So I'll be showing you the measurements for this particular tutorial. So for the measurements, we have the front, the bottom, the back, the upper base, and also the flap. So the upper base is with the flap. So for the length of the bag of the front part is for the length we're making use of 4.3, and for the width of the bag is 7.5 inches. The front, the length is 4.3 inches, the bottom is 1.7 inches, the back is 4.3 inches. You guys can see the measurements here. Please work with this measurement, and you can also come with your own idea by using your own measurement to make this exact bag. For the flap, we have 3.7 inches. So with this pattern, with this idea, if you are a beginner in bag making, this will guide you. This will really guide you a lot on how to make your fashion bag. So for the shape, I just make use of a bottle cover to bring out that shape, the flap shape. So now I'm just going to I've already glued my foam to the leather board. So the foam I make use of is a flat foam. So I'm just going to wrap my fabric to my leather board. I'm through with the outer part of the bag, so I'm just going to move to the interior part of my bag. So I will be making use of a leather board named Chi board, and I'll be making use of a shiny face lining for the inner part of my bag. So I'll be showing you how you can take your measurement for the inner part of your bag. So if you take the measurement of the outer part, it is 14.6 inches. Now you have to make the inner part measurement, which is 14.2 inches. So by the time you minus your 14.6 from your 14.2 inches, it will give you a 0.3. So which means you're going to deduct a 0.3 from the outer part of your a 0.4 from the outer part of your bag to get the inner your inner measurement. So now I'm through with the measurement. I'm just going to wrap my inner leather board to my shiny face lining. Please, like I said, watch this tutorial carefully. Watch every bit of it. Watch everything to understand. You can also ask questions. If you have any question, please, you can give us you can just drop your questions on the comment section. And also, if you like this video, please give us a beautiful like and also a nice comment. Guys, this is the pocket aspect. So the pocket length is 5.5 and the width, sorry, the the width is 5.5 and the length is 2.7 inches. So this is the bottom, this is the gusset aspect. So the gusset is 1.7. The main gusset of the outer bag is 1.7 inches. So the gusset of the keyboard it has to be 1.7 inches. So, and also the measurement for the length is 4.3 inches. Same thing with the gusset keyboard. So the keyboard has to be 4.3 length, and at the bottom side it has to be 1.7 inches, and at the top of it has to be 3 inches. This is the gusset measurement, sorry, 3 inches. So the length is 4.3, the bottom is 1.7, and at the top of it has to be 3 inches. So this is how you fold your purse, your inner purse. And now the next thing is to take the outer fabric and just glue the leather board, which is the gusset keyboard. Then I'm just going to glue it to the fabric of my bag. So now I want to stitch my my pocket to the back of my bag. I mean, to the back. We have the front, the bottom, the back, and the flap with the upper base. So I'm stitching it to the back of my bag. So I'm just going to stitch my gusset as well, the lining, and also the main gusset. I'm going to stitch everything together using my manual machine. So I'm actually making use of size 18 for my manual machine. I'm through stitching the pocket, so I'm just going to put my magnets. Just look for the center of your just look for the center and punch a hole to it to actually fix your magnet. So this is the rivet. The rivet I make use of is 0.6 length. So guys, you can use a 0.5, you can use a 0.7, you can use 1 inch, whichever way you decide to do 8. So now for this project, I'm making use of a 0.7, and this is how my rivets looks like. And now I'm just going to glue the corset to the inner back of my bag. So guys, make sure when you're applying your gum, you're applying it carefully. You have to be very, very careful. You don't want your job to get stained, so you just have to apply it using your hands, and be careful of the tip. You have to be very, very careful. You have to be very, very mindful. You want a neat job. If you want a neat job, then you have to apply your gum carefully. And now I'm using my mallet to glue them together. Like, I'm using it to hit the bag so that the glue can stick to each other, you know, perfectly. So I'm just going to apply gum to the back of the bag as well. Apply gum, be careful, and also glue it together. And after that, apply gum to the bottom and also to the front of the bag. But before I apply gum to the front of the bag, I have to, you know, just put my magnets. I need to fix my magnets to the front of the bag. So this is how I am doing it. So I'm just going to use my pen to mark and use my puncher to bring, you know, to punch the hole and fix it. So now I'm just going to rub my glue as usual to my bag. So for this project, I did not make use of any extra glue. I only make use of my energy gum. This gum alone is what I am working with, and this gum will give me exactly what I want. So guys, if you have any questions, please drop your questions, and also give us a beautiful like and a nice comment if you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much. I love you.